Hey everyone, this is Jenny Garcia with a new video. This is the BFF Sticker Club challenge for the week of January 24th. And the theme is all about me. I'm going to use my Dymo label maker to write the title of each challenge. A few of these cartridges and ribbons are a little bit old, so they don't stick that well. So I'm using the Tomboy Extreme Adhesive to make sure they stay where they're supposed to be. The ink and the date stamp are from Studio Calico. And I always try to grab a few items from for the place where I put my stickers. I have a pegboard and I also have a Rascal cart, and it has two baskets. One of them is die cuts and the other one is stickers. So depending on the challenge, I grab sticker from those places. I also have my Pipsticks was it Classic Pro kits. They're monthly kits. I try to use those too. And I also have these sticker books. This one is from Passion Planner. I also have another one from Passion Planner. They're usually quite expensive. They're like $20. So I always wait for a sale. So I got this a while ago, like probably more than a year ago. And it had a 50% off sale. I believe it was on stickers or everything. But I did get two different sticker books. And I also use these from American Crafts, and usually I get these from Tuesday Morning. The Tuesday Morning near me closed, but again, these are quite expensive. Michael has similar sticker books, and maybe you can use a coupon with those. Then there are the Happy Planner sticker books that are a little bit more planner specific. So this little girl with the suitcase is supposed to represent my oldest. She has skin a little darker than my oldest, and her hair is straight, and my oldest has curly hair and likes to write, so that's what I pick. This girl with the slightly curly hair, and my oldest likes to write, and my little one likes to make snarky comments at me. She also likes cats, so I'm gonna find a way to cover the suitcase. And these are the kits from Pipsticks, and I've been thinking about getting the binder where you can organize them, because sometimes it's difficult for me to find a sticker sheet that I want. But in this case, I like to keep the monthly kits together. I don't know why. Sometimes they have a theme, sometimes they don't, so it's very random, and I think that a book would help better. And I really wanted to use that I Love Books stickers from Michael's, but it had a lot of foam tape, and I would have to remove all of them, and I was afraid that I would damage the sticker. So I decided to not use it. So I'm going to use this lady from one of the Pipsticks kits, and I can't remember which month it was. Then it has a poster about reading, but it has aliens. I also love to learn about cults and weird stuff, but there's no cult books. Not books, sorry, cult stickers. So I think that aliens will have to do for now. It's the closest thing I could find to a cult-ish book. And I grabbed one sticker from my little one's Animal Crossing sticker book, and it's just a little house with a girl living with Rosie the cat. So I thought that it was a good idea, and I used that to cover the suitcase. My little one also likes to play, and she loves the cat villagers. And she has Rosie. I don't have Rosie. I think my only cat, if she hasn't moved, if she didn't get tired of me not playing, was Lolly. Was it Lolly? No, I can't remember. And this sticker that says craft every day. That me and my big ideas or happy planner sticker sheet actually came from Ollie's. It was a rare find. And then I have a paintbrush. So I like crafting. I love my kits. And I wanted to find leggings. Like, these sweatpants are the most legging things that I could find. I love leggings and sweatshirts, so the girl reading in the couch is perfect. And then this sticker that says washi tape addict. I am obsessed. I have way too much washi tape. So if you have a bunch of stickers or you're looking for a challenge that is not as, serious and difficult as like one scrapbook page a day or something like that, this is a good option. I look forward to every Wednesday. I think it's so much fun. I don't know if I'm gonna upload more videos of this. Let me know if you like them. I am trying to finish my December daily so I can start working on Project Life. Just finishing past albums. That is something that I really need to work on. That I like to work in batches because I'm in the December daily mode. So switching to Project Life to then switch to December daily, sometimes it's like a little bit confusing. So I'd rather finish my December daily. I'm on day 17, so we're on the second half. It's quite chunky. I don't know if I'm gonna need 2 albums. So I'm also trying to look for a jean jacket that's part of my attire when I leave my house. So I grabbed this one, which is a little puffy. This is from I think it was like a bundle from Walmart that had different damask love stickers. If you love damask love, I haven't checked in a while, but Walmart did have damask love products. Here I have a bookmark. I love the sticker sheet, and as you can see, I've used it quite a lot. And a bunch of these. I'm weird because in a way I hate packaging, but I can't get rid of it unless it comes with the kit. I don't know why. It's also very handy for hanging on my pegboard, so that I cover the handle with a cat because she loves cats. Sadly, we don't have cats because I'm allergic to them, and I like, breathing and being able to see. So in the future, I'm pretty sure that when she lives by herself, she's gonna have probably at least one cat. And I like stickers, so I'm trying to look for, I have a few sticker related stickers, very meta, that either one of them came in a mystery bag when you bought a sweatshirt that says stickers are my happy place. I think that's what it says. Yeah, stickers are my happy place. And others came in the Pipsticks kits. And the good thing about the Pipsticks kits is that you can skip them if you don't like them, if you're not interested in the theme. I'm trying to slide this phone under these stickers, and it was pretty easy, didn't damage anything. So yeah, I'm using the Everyday Explorers mini book instead of using their book, because their book also has daily challenges or daily sticker places, and I was going to feel intimidated by that. But now that I'm doing the whole weekly thing, I feel like I'm kind of missing out in the daily spaces for stickering. So who knows what happens next year. Let me know if you're doing the BFF sticker challenge too. I think it's a lot of fun. In most crafters, we have way too many stickers, so this is a great way to use some of them so you have the excuse to get more. And now I'm gonna look for smaller stickers that I can fill out those spaces. And I love this one that is like a sticker sheet, one of those thin ones that says I love Pipsticks, and a card that says that you're like a Pipsticks member. I love my stationery, so I also wanted to add some pens in there too. I love lettering, and I have a commonplace notebook where I can write quotes that I love from books or quotes that I see around. And it's very simple. There's not a lot of flourishing or fanciness. And I'm adding glasses because I am very blind. I need this. That's the first thing that I do in the morning. I put on my glasses. And it gets a little hard when you have to, you don't have to fill out the tiny spaces. I do it because my brain, it's very annoying and it tells me that I have to. And I love those stickers. They're like vellum. I got them from my local stationery store. We're not that local. I have to drive quite a bit. But there's a store in Baltimore called the Paper Herald. So if you're near Baltimore or you live there, make sure you check out that store. And the owner is so nice. She's the sweetest person ever. Now these super glittery stickers came in the January Pipsticks Classic Pro kit, and they are obnoxiously sparkly. They're so cute. They're very Lisa Frank, but they're also hard to see, so I'm glad to add just a few stars to fill out those spaces. And this is how it looks like. It was so fun to make. I hope you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you're having an awesome day. Bye.